Have you ever dreamed of traveling through time? Maybe going back to witness historical moments or leaping forward to see what the future holds? Well, here's something that might blow your mind. Time travel isn't just science fiction anymore. In fact, it's happening right now, up there in space. I know what you're thinking. Come on, that's impossible. But stick with me for a moment. You see, Einstein's theory of relativity showed us something fascinating. Time isn't as fixed as we thought. It actually moves differently depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. Let's talk about astronauts on the International Space Station. They're actually time travelers, albeit in a very small way, because they're zooming around Earth at about 17,500 miles per hour. Time moves slightly slower for them than it does for us down here. Over a year in space, an astronaut ages about 0.01 seconds less than someone on Earth. It's tiny, but it's real time travel. But here's where it gets really interesting. If we could build spacecraft that travel even faster, say close to the speed of light, the time difference would become much more noticeable. Imagine leaving Earth for what feels like a one-year journey to you, only to return and find that decades have passed back home. This isn't just theoretical. It's a mathematical certainty based on physics we already understand. Even more mind-bending is what happens near black holes. The gravity is so intense that time itself slows down dramatically. If you could hover near a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return, you might experience just a few minutes while years pass by on Earth. It's like nature's own time machine, so while we can't hop into a DeLorean and zip back to ancient Egypt or jump forward to the year 3000, we are actually experiencing time travel in space exploration right now. It's just happening in ways that are much more subtle and scientifically grounded than what we see in movies. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those astronauts up there aren't just space travelers. They're time travelers too, showing us that the universe is even more fascinating than we imagined.